how's it going? Alex here with another video. It's been about 2 years since I've done my last video, but we've got a new coffee machine here and it's time to descale it now. As you can see, the lights are flashing. So this is the Swan SK22150 model. It's a really good coffee machine actually. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. This is not the first time I'm doing descaling, and you get about 500 coffees out of it before it obviously comes to this stage. So if your lights are flashing and you're wondering what you need to do now, so what this is basically telling you is it's ready for descale. It's recommended to do it. So what you need to do today is obviously make sure your milk bottle is plugged in. You're gonna need descaling product, and as you might have seen my previous video, I've recommended Ecozone one, and this is a really good product. I've been using it ever since. The link will be in the description below. It's quite cheap as well, and it doesn't leave any obviously toxics or bad smell. It does smell a little bit, but not major. After a couple of flashes it will disappear. So yeah, definitely highly recommend this product, and like I said, the price is really good as well. One bottle is enough for 6 times or 5 times, depending how much you're going to put in there. So what you're going to need at this stage is obviously make sure it's up to temperature. You're going to need to fill it up to 600 ml. So you got the mark there, and you need to put about 100 ml of this product. That's what I'm going to do now, and I definitely recommend mixing it up in there. So once you got the mix in there, I'd recommend having a big mug, fit it there, and what you have to do to start the process is literally press the espresso and latte buttons together in the same time, and it will start doing obviously the cleaning process. It will last about half an hour. So after half an hour, the lights will be flashing again. It will stop, and what you have to do afterwards is empty your water tank at the back, put new water in there, clean water obviously, clean it up first, wash it out, put another 600 ml of clean water, and then you'll have to press 2 buttons again, and it will obviously clean the product out of the system and just does another descale process. So let's just press both of them together. There we are. So you can see the lights are flashing one at a time. So it started the process. Obviously just leave it for half an hour now. And then once half an hour is gone, we're going to come back to it. So it's been more than half an hour now. I've cleaned the water bottle. Put half a litre in there. At this stage, ready to put it back on there. And now let it start up again. So obviously lights shouldn't be flashing anymore, but we still have to do another cycle, obviously by pressing espresso and latte buttons in the same time. And obviously then wait another half an hour for it to do its thing. And once that's done, like I said, I personally like to do 2 or 3 circles on the machine to clean the system out, and then obviously smell the water, see if it's still got any smell of the product. And if you do, then obviously do a couple more, but then you should be fine. So obviously that's all the old water. Just gonna empty the cup. So up to temperature. I'm just going to press and hold them both together. We entered another cycle, as you can see, flashing now. So we're going to leave it for another half an hour. Once that is done, we should be all good. So that's another half an hour. At this stage, just empty the water from the mug. And personally, I would take everything off now and clean it again, and obviously put new water in there, and like I said, do a couple of coffees, and then this is the process done. Right, so I turned the coffee machine off and cleaned everything up, changed the water again, put milk in there. At this stage, obviously turn it back on, and we should be ready to enjoy our coffee again. As you can see, we've got perfect foam in there, no smell. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, like I said, the product will be in the description below, so you have got the link there for the cheapest one that I found. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give us a like, comment below and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye.